Hola clase, you are watching podcast 115. In this video, I'm going to explain the verb ser. Here is what my notebook looks like, my example notebook. In the last podcast, in podcast 114, we talked about subject pronouns and you added your foldables. That was my page 5. Today we're working on the page right next to it. So the title is going to be podcast 115, and it's going to be the verb ser. El verbo ser. So you can pause this video at any time. I already have all of my notes written, so I'm going to go pretty quick through them. So just make sure you take your time and get all the information written down. So first, ser is one of the first verbs we're going to learn. It is actually an irregular verb. It is an irregular verb. And it means to be. We've been using it all units so far to describe people's personality traits. So that's how we're going to use ser for now. Make sure you get written down ser and to be. Now, you grabbed one of these foldables in class, one of the verb charts. You're going to glue it right here on this side tab so that all of these can lift up. And then on these tabs, you're going to write all the conjugated forms of ser. I wrote the subject pronoun in the top corner to let you know which pronoun matches each verb, but what you really need is the verb form. So, first form we have is yo soy. Yo soy means I am. Yo soy. And then under the tab, if you want to write the English version, write it right here on the back. So this is what I mean. You would write Wow, I give up on that. I am. Okay? What I really want under here, ignore my mistake there. What I really want you to write down is an example using yo soy. So I wrote, yo soy muy paciente. So what you will have is yo soy on the front, the English meaning on the back, and then underneath the example, yo soy muy paciente. The next form we know is tú. We have tú eres. Tú eres means you are. So here are two examples I'd like you to write down underneath. We have ¿Cómo eres tú? Or what are you like? ¿Cómo eres tú? Then we have the sentence tú eres simpático. Tú eres simpático means you are nice. So those are examples for tú eres. We have yo soy and tú eres. Next, we have the él, ella, and usted form, which is es. Él es would mean he is. Ella es, she is. Usted es is you are formal version. Here are the examples I want you to write down underneath. Él es inteligente. Él es inteligente is he is intelligent. Ella es reservada. Ella es reservada is she is shy. And lastly we have usted es antipático. Usted es antipático means you are mean if you're speaking to someone formally. Next we have nosotros. Nosotros means we, so nosotros somos is we are. Nosotros somos. The example I want you to write down underneath is nosotros somos estudiantes trabajadores. Nosotros somos estudiantes trabajadores means we are hardworking students. The last form of ser you need to know is the ellos, ellas, and ustedes form, which is son. Ellos, son, means they are with a group of all boys or mixed gender. Ellas, son, is they are for all girls. And ustedes, son, means you all are. So here are my examples. Ellos son perezosos means they are lazy. Ellas son sociables. They are social. Lastly, ustedes son atrevidos. You all are daring. Ustedes son atrevidos. So again, in your notes, make sure you glue in this verb chart. Write all your forms of ser as well as the example sentences. And those are your completed notes for podcast 115. Adios.